How to make sugar-free, high-protein, fluffy pancakes, low-calorie and delicious. Hey fitness fam! Are you tired of boring breakfasts that lack flavor and nutrition? Imagine fluffy, guilt-free pancakes packed with protein and perfect for your diet. Yes, it's possible! Today, we're diving into a game-changing recipe for sugar-free, high-protein, low-calorie pancakes that'll fuel your goals. Most pancakes weigh you down with sugar and empty calories, but not this recipe. These pancakes are designed with your fitness journey in mind. They're loaded with protein to support muscle recovery and are low in calories, making them the perfect start to your day without compromising your health goals. Whether you're prepping for your next workout or just want a cozy breakfast treat, these pancakes tick every box. Simple, clean, and wildly satisfying. Bonus? They take minimal time and effort to make. Let's jump in. Before we get flipping, gather these wholesome ingredients. 1/2 cup of rolled oats or oat flour for smoother texture, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 2 large egg whites, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 medium-ripe banana for natural sweetness, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional, a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor and non-stick spray for cooking. These ingredients are high in protein, fiber, and flavor, without any added sugars or empty calories. Ready for some pancake magic? Follow these easy steps. Blend the dry and wet ingredients. Toss your oats, protein powder, egg whites, banana, almond milk, baking powder, and vanilla extract into a blender. Blend until you have a smooth batter with no lumps. Pro tip: let the batter sit for 2 minutes so the baking powder works its fluffiness magic. Heat your pan. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly coat it with non-stick spray. The right temperature is key for perfectly golden pancakes. Pour a small amount of batter into the pan to form your pancakes. Cook each side for 2-3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface and edges look set. Flip gently and cook the other side for another minute. And voila! You've just created mouth-watering pancakes that are fluffy, golden, and ready to devour. Now for the fun part, toppings. Keep things healthy and flavorful with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein, a drizzle of sugar-free maple syrup or almond butter. Get creative while keeping it clean. These pancakes are as versatile as they are delicious. Pro tip: double the recipe and store leftovers for a quick, healthy snack. Simply pop them in the fridge or freezer and reheat when needed. A lifesaver for busy mornings. Let's break it down. Each serving is packed with muscle-building protein, fiber to keep you full, and 0 added sugars. Unlike traditional pancakes, which spike your blood sugar and leave you sluggish, this recipe keeps energy levels stable. Whether you're cutting, bulking, or maintaining, these are perfect. The natural sweetness from the banana and the creaminess from the almond milk create a dreamy texture that feels indulgent while still fitting your macros. Healthy eating has never tasted this good. Now that you've got the trick to making the ultimate guilt-free pancakes, it's time to hit the kitchen and whip up your own stack of fluffy deliciousness. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for this nutritious upgrade. Don't keep this recipe a secret. Share it with your gym buddies, family, or anyone looking to crush their fitness goals while enjoying mouth-watering meals. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing, fit-friendly recipes and tips. Let's fuel our fitness journeys together. Now what are you waiting for? Go make those pancakes and level up your breakfast game.